So we got the dry yeast here, ladies and gentlemen. Now I'm telling you, this is the secret of making dough, all right? Good evening, it's Harry here, and I have my nephew named Nathan. So first thing that you're gonna do, Nathan, is you grab that kettle there. There's a kettle there. That's the one. 1 cup of hot water. Yeah, on that small bowl. Yeah, 1 cup. And then after that, put a full cup full of soy milk. This is the wet portion of the dough making. We're going to mix this with the 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix it, and then check if it's still hot. Okay, hot, or we need it to become lukewarm.
It's lukewarm.
Let's see. So the master chef will get, okay, that's fine. It's lukewarm now. So that's enough. And then you dried it up. Dry that teaspoon first. Get a tea towel there. All right. This is Nathan. He's a handsome bloke. He's available 3 years from now. Okay. You open the yeast, the dry yeast. You get 2 teaspoons. That's it. Yeah. And then you spread it on top of it. Spread it. That's it. And then that's the first teaspoon. The second one. Yeah. Spread it. Then I'll ask Nathan to grab in the white sugar portion. There's a white sugar there. That's the white sugar. Take 1.5 teaspoon and put it on top of it. You spread it. And then slowly mix it. You set aside that for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, it's there. Set aside for 10 minutes. You wait until they become frothy, yeah, like bubbles. All right. The next thing you do, Nathan, is we're going to get the dry portion, which is the big mixing bowl.
Yep.
Yeah, we're using a 1 kilo plain flour this time. That one. Get the 1/3. You get a 1/3 measurement cup. You fill it with white sugar. Okay, let's fill up. Yeah, and Nathan's sister is here trying to help. Put 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Salt is very addictive. So 1, and then a little bit, very half of it. No, that's too much. A little bit. That's it. Okay. So there's already salt and sugar in there. Now, next one is the butter, or the margarine will do. Or if you don't have margarine or butter, just use oil, this one. 1/4 of cup of that. You still have plenty? Yeah. Okay, try to dig in. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about my wife at the back because she's making benignit. Okay. All right. From that, you use the teaspoon to put it. Now this is the dry section, okay? But even though it's creamy but it's still dry. So that's the dry section. Now I want you to get 1 egg, the biggest 1 egg in the fridge. And don't break it yet. That's one of the biggest, yeah? There's 1 egg. You put it inside, but don't break it yet. We have to wait for this. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? The wet section, it's called yeast. Is growing now and it's become frothy. Look at this. So that's still less than 10 minutes. Remember I told you 10 minutes, and it's in a lukewarm status. So I'll get back. So before we get back, let's have our what's this advertisement? You reckon?
It's the perfect consistency. It's very delicious, and it goes well with everything. Welcome back to our cooking show, and here we go. The chef is going to cook our cinnamon rolls today.
Hey, it's my program. It's Uncle Harry here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Okay, this is what happened after 10 minutes. See that? It's fruity. Yeah. So Nathan, I want you to mix that with that. So before you do that, you have to break the egg. Right, quick. That's it. And he knows what to do. And ladies and gentlemen, he's about to mix it. Yeah. And then when you mix it, you together with the wet section.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Wow.
Mom,
See, there's a quality manager here. So we are very, very clean. All right, that's it. Put it up, down, everything down. Don't worry, it won't hurt you. All right, the sanitary inspectors are here. Mix it slowly and slowly and slowly. While mixing it, grab the 1 cup there, the cup. Yeah. And then open that. Nathan is going to mix the flour slowly because we're making a dough. All right. While you do that, no, you pour it, everything, yeah. You have to do slowly like this. Never stop. It's not easy to become a baker, mate. Yeah, that one. Mix it some more. A bit faster. Yeah, and then put some more. Yeah. Okay. Mix it until it becomes wet. Come on. Keep going. Now, this side here is where we're going to knead the dough when it's getting thicker. Okay? Keep going.
Keep going, put it on. Beautiful, keep going, ready. That's it. And then you tell me if it's really like, oh, Uncle Harry, it's hard now. Yeah, okay. Keep going. Keep going.
So I dropped some little bit of half full of flour because we're going to mix it. Okay, that's enough. I washed my hands. It's really clean. Okay. Since Nathan haven't tried this before, I'm going to show Nathan how to knead this dough. All right. Take this one out because this is sayang. What is sayang in Filipino?
Like waste.
Waste. Don't waste it. Okay. Oh, what is sayang in English? Did I say something? I'm supposed to be doing like this, yeah? See that? That's how you mix it. Go in, and then put it aside, and then in, aside, in, aside. You know when to stop this one? Until you feel that the portion is like a baby bump. Yeah? Yeah, like that. You can make it faster. Keep going. Come on, doing. Or not, you can grab and put it in the middle and do like this. It should be like this. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. 1, 2. Counterclockwise. 1, 2. It's baby bump now.
Sure looks like one.
Hang on a minute. Looks like one. My friends all over the world, from
It
Canada
looks like
to
one.
England to United States, they want to
It looks like one.
compete. Who is the best cinnamon maker in the world? Okay. You hold it. You pour it this one, so it won't stick. Yeah. Go like this. All right. Let it sleep for an hour. All right. We'll be back shortly. Get a tea towel at the bottom there. That's clean. So make sure it's a clean tea towel and cover it. Ladies and gentlemen, cover it. This is clean, okay? It's a used tea towel. Let it grow for 1 hour. Thanks for watching. You're number one.
welcome back to Uncle Harry's Baking Magic. We've waited 1 hour and voila, magic! The dough has risen.
So what we do now is we're going to flat it like a pizza
Punch.
by using this, what do you call this?
Rolling pin.
Rolling pin. So before you do that,
Rolling
you check if it's okay at the back. Yeah, and then you punch it. Punch it. Yeah, that's it. You make it wide, like a rectangle.
Are you filming?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm filming. All right, and then you flat it, rectangle flat like this. Yeah, with using your rolling pin. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching how to make a cinnamon scroll. We're gonna scroll it through and then mix with cinnamon and butter or whatever.
Best recipe by the Golden Chef.
Oh, best recipe for the Golden Chef. Okay.
We've got
So
one
the candy
deep
had
pan
one
and
deep
one shallow
shallow pan. Okay. Yeah, put it back there first. Make it rectangle like this. Okay. You ready with with the butter. There's the butter there.
Let's get the butter.
So what you do here, you do like this. Alright.
We can see you're spreading butter all over the dough.
Yeah. You better use this one.
Yeah.
This cinnamon. Yeah. You better use this, okay? Dark brown sugar is better. Yeah. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Beautiful. Is it clear?
Yep.
Beautiful. It's too much. Not too much, just enough. And then use this.
So coconut powder.
Coconut powder milk. That's cinnamon with coconut powder milk. Here's the trick roll, huh? The roll one. The one, and then you pull like this. Pull it tight. Go like this. One. And then half. One here. Got it? Another one. It's together. Put it together, and then you cover it. That's it. Whee! You wait until it bakes for rice for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes you put it on the oven. Yeah.
Bit later.
Okay. Let's wait. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back.
Join us later. Hello, welcome back, and look at these beautiful cinnamon rolls we have, and another beautiful customer waiting here for us. Look at the camera, Jen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see what's the review. Are you joking? Are you sure? Yum? It has coconut there. Did you taste it? Yeah. What about you, Hazel? Oh, Hazel. Candy. I'm sorry. I always miss Hazel.
Second customer. Come
Second
here,
customer.
Robert.
Okay, here. Get some.
Well, that's too big for you, for her.
Don't worry, I'll share it with her.
Yeah. So careful. It's very hot. Be careful.
Mom,
I'm just warning you. Careful. Yeah.
oh, there we go. Another beautiful roll.
Mommy, what's yours? You pick.
Mom, wait, Mom, I get one.
What is this? Oh,
Thanks, Nathan. Nathan, thank you. It's a success.
Thank you.
thank you for teaching me.
It's huge. See, a novice can bake a cinnamon roll. Yeah, just by making a dough. Is yummy? What do you think?
Yummy.
Yeah, all yummy. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I challenge you to bake some cinnamon scrolls while you're in isolation in your house.
Down.
You're locked down. Yeah.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Yes, that's true. Thanks. Thank you very much for the review, Candy. And hope the family is enjoying it. Bye, everyone.